Again, in this lecture, we will look into the next step. Let's execute that and then we will talk about that. So it's specify files. So in this step, basically, we are telling our LSMW like what is going to be the format of our file and where it is going to be located. So these are different options right there we have. And in our case, we're gonna be having the file in our PC, which is this first option right here on the PC front end. So let's go into that. So you will click on that display change option right here. Then select the first option, legacy data, because as you know, we have data, we are going to have the file in our PC. And then select this add entry option right here. And then select the path where your file you are going to maintain that file. So we will be maintaining that file in our C drive in temp folder. The name of that file is going to be bnka data. And here you just give the description for your file. File contents, you will select one source because we are going to have the data for one source structure. We don't have any multiple source structure, so one source structure. And then how your file is going to be separated. Either there is no separator in the data in between in different fields, or you have any tab, you have any semicolon, commas. Obviously, if you have a CSV file, then obviously you will use this comma separated value option. So in our case, the file we're gonna have is it's a tab delimited txt file. So I'm gonna select that option right here, tabulator. And then if you have the column names in your file, then you will select that option. So once we will select that option, then obviously the LSMW will not read uh, the LSMW will not read the first row in that file. And then obviously the it's a so these are the three key options where we really need to focus on. So one source, we are just getting the data for one source structure, and then we have a tab delimited file, so we are selecting that option. And we are going to have the column names in the first row, so that's why we are selecting that option. How this option basically works, I will show you in a bit. And then we will select continue here and then click save. Here you can see that you get this error, like you can have only maximum of 45 characters in your converted file name. So actually I intentionally produced this error because I just wanted to show you how it basically works. So what you really need to do here is you need to click on these options, and basically you need to the maximum length of this field could be 45 characters. So that's why I'm just removing some of extraneous data, because otherwise the system is not going to allow you. So first I select the imported data line, and then I remove some of the extraneous data like they are used. So this is kind of a system generated LSMW file name. Like this is the import file name and this is going to be the converted file name. So this is where it's reading and this is where it's converting. And then you will click save. And now you see that the system let you save the the specification you have maintained for your file. So let's go back. So it was all about in this lecture. I will stop here and I will see you in our next lecture.